This is Jason. I come from Shenzhen Cardot and Electronic Company Limited. Today I will tell you how to change the default passwords 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to any passwords you want. In this video, I will tell you method. Okay. Now, as you can see, this is passwords. Okay. And there is a small hole. This is inside it. There is a learning button. You need to find, if you want to know the new password, you need to find a screwdriver. And this head is sharp. Yes. Small diameter. Insert it just like this. Yes. The size must be proper. Okay. Now, how do we change passwords? As you know, the default password was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now is disarm. Okay, disarm. This mark, unlock. Now, and let me make an example. I lost my smart key. Maybe I forget my smart key at home, but I want to unlock the car door and drive the car. I need to input the right passwords. Okay, let me show you. Now let me check the passwords. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6. Now, this is correct passwords. Now let me turn off the PKE. Hold lock unlock at the same time. You will hear beep beep. PKE is disabled. Now, unlock, lock. Now I want to change the default passwords. Firstly, this is screwdriver. Yes, hold the passwords just like this. Insert this small hole, and you will find this red LED will keep on. It is learning status. This is the first step. Hold it. Yes, keeps on. It is learning status. Firstly, input the old passwords, default passwords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will blink 2 times. Okay. Now, this is the third step. I will input the new passwords. For example, new password is 11111 number 61. Okay. Now, as you can see, I input the passwords, new passwords. As you can see, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 4 times. Blue light, red light will blink 4 times. This is the first new passwords input. And then please input the second new passwords again. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 6, 1. 2 times confirm. Blue LED and red LED is off. Now learning is successful. Okay. Now let us check if this change passwords is successful or not. Okay. Now let me import. First, let me import 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Blink 3 times. It means failure. Okay. Now let me try new passwords. As you can see, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes, successful. it means change is successful. If you input 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, it is failure. It means your change process is failure. Your change passwords is failure, is unsuccessful. Now let me change 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 6, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now let me try it again. Hold it. Keep some. Read that. Keep on. This is the status. Okay. Firstly, import the passwords, old passwords. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yes. 2 times. It tells you, please import and new passwords. New passwords 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 times this new password is corrected. They will blink 4 times, red light and blue light. Okay. Now tell you tell you, please import the second new passwords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it will blink 2 times, confirm the passwords. It is successful. Let me try. Okay. First, let me import the old passwords. 6, 1. Okay. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Failure. It will blink 3 times. It tell you it is failed. Okay. Now let me import new passwords. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Successful. Yes. It's very easy. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.